What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are in a nondescript location somewhere in North Georgia, but you can kind of see why we're here and more reasons why we're here. But yeah, so let's roll. Reminiscent of Mark's car, it really is. Then we got, okay, smooth stage I'm not familiar with.
That is bump box.
Okay. Okay, yeah, like a boost leash type deal. Ride's great.
The steering wheel. Last spots from sitting for so long.
Yeah. Hey, that's great. Then you got Vine Lock and...
Yeah, that's for the bump box. The green's for the bump.
Okay. What transmission's in it?
Turbo 400.
Very nice. Wow. Man, that boost just comes on like insane.
Right. Yeah, it's a little bit much for the street right now.
Oh yeah. Especially if it's kind of wet.
Yeah. Trying to keep it from breaking loose.
Yeah. Which won't take much.
That was literally that much fun.
Wow. So on your base tune, it did what, 914 you said?
914 so far.
Wow. How much torque?
I don't remember on torque. I would lie to you. We'd have to look that up.
Okay. Probably over 1,000, I'm guessing.
Probably. I don't want to lie to you. I can't remember exactly. That was a rough day.
Yeah.
We were just trying to get the car to run, to make boost, and we were just happy to actually see boost. We were only getting like 2 pounds of boost.
All right, guys, we're running through some rocks. Wow. Yeah, it feels like Mark's car. The boost comes on and it's just like, that's when your peripheral vision starts to smear. Woo!
All I can say is good luck, Mark, at the track.
Yeah.
He's going to be our test dummy.
So are you planning to have a little showdown with Mark at the track? Maybe, maybe not?
Mark's going to be in the car.
Oh, okay.
I ain't going to be the test dummy. I ain't that stupid.
Man, I'm telling you. Because his car did, what, 170 in the quarter? Something like that? It was nuts.
I can't, yeah. His different goals. I wanted, the goal of this car was to be a street car first,
Yeah.
and a race car second.
Yeah.
So I would just like to be able to drive the car, go to a car show here and there. Year ones up here, they do some local stuff like every third Saturday. Go out there, hang out for a minute. Friday nights, take it to the track. I'd like to see it run a number. I've got a number in my head I'd like to see it run.
Sure.
I'm not gonna, you know, we call it snowball, where, you know, this car just started off life as just a little nitrous small block street car.
Yeah.
And, you know, I don't want to continue the snowball. I want to...
Kind of cut it off right here.
Yeah, well, I mean, I want to be able to... there just comes to a point where you won't be able to drive them anymore.
Yeah.
This car's got a hydraulic roller cam.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's... I tried to do stuff on purpose to make it, you know, more streetable. But, you know, hey, this is a lot for a street car.
Oh, yeah.
And we know that.
Yeah.
It's my lie, let me tell you.
I don't know if you can even see like the smoke. Smoke's rolling out of the car. But guys, we had to stop through here and check out Shane's little collection, and met through a mutual friend, Mark, which he did a lot of work on this car.
Absolutely.
And just man, I'm talking about, this is amazing. 427 Windsor 9.5, and this is an 88 single 88. Borg Warner 88 turbo. I mean, good God. AFR 225s, TFSR intake. Amazing. And a vacuum pump system, which you don't see very often, but
Yeah.
I mean, how valuable is that? You know, making sure those rings are... God, it's beautiful. And ironically, same color as my car. It's crazy. And what year is it?
93.
93. So yeah, mine's a 92. So his is newer, y'all. But he's rocking the same wheels as mine. Freaking beautiful. I love it. I've got to get a set of these lug nuts. That's amazing.
Awesome.
And is this original black interior tweed?
No, it's not. It's originally great. It's originally great.
I got you. But he's running the Holley EFI. What trans was it again?
Turbo 400.
Turbo.
It's actually still a 3-speed.
Very nice.
It does have gear set and everything.
You can see the smoke right there. Smoke's still rolling out of it. That's awesome.
John Force be proud.
Exactly. And of course, you got bead locks on the back. 33 spline axles, all that. I'm assuming.
Believe it or not, I laugh if you will. I think it's actually a 31.
Still 31. Hey, they're in my car.
Yeah, but now it does have, the center is actually it's a GT500. I think they call it a
Torsion T2. Yeah.
Yes, that's
yeah.
actually the center that's in that car. I didn't want a spool, so we're gonna try it out and see if it'll hold.
Hey, if you have brakes, just swap it out.
Yeah, right. But now, the car was never supposed to be a race car, so
right.
we'll see.
It's a street car, 100%. Very nice. And then right here is the old school. This is like straight out of 95, 96.
Right. Oh, absolutely.
Amazing.
Yeah, this is an 89 car. I bought this car. I actually thought it had 131,000 miles. Couldn't believe it. Didn't believe the guy, who's actually a personal friend, and called him a liar to his face. Joking. And then I owned the car for over a year and a half, and then actually run the Carfax on the car, and then found out it was actually a 31,000 original mile car.
Wow.
And kind of ruined it for me because I wanted a driver.
Yeah. Now you got to keep it put away.
Yeah. So now here's where she sits. Worked out a bunch of bugs in it, and but it's still a good car.
Is it? What heads are on it?
GT40 heads.
Okay, so it's true old school all the way.
Yeah.
That's
GT40
awesome.
heads, intake. It's got a stock cam. It's just, but it is AC.
Yep.
Power steering, power brakes. When you sit inside that car, to me, it still smells like
really
Fox bodies. It's just, and when you drive it, man, it's to me, it's just, it's comfortable. Haven't been, behind a T5 in a while.
Yeah, that's like home.
Yeah, exactly.
It really is like home.
Class T5 just shifts like butter. Love driving the car.
Oh man, it's slick, and with the stance and the chrome ponies, it's just beautiful. And then guys, you can see You can just look at the seat bolsters and tell it's a low mile car.
Yeah, it's something else.
Beautiful car.
Haters keep hating.
Hey, dude, and honestly, I kind of like your idea. Maybe kind of lean it a little back towards stock, because I mean, you don't see them.
No.
And even the door shut.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Perfection.
Yeah.
But man, this car's slick. I mean, of course, you got the LX tails. I know everybody. This is the trend that I'm noticing. Everybody's wanting to go back to the cheese graters.
I've got them up there. It was so bad. Most beautiful set of cheese graters. They put covers on them.
Oh, like the old GTS style. Yeah.
They put covers on them, and he actually had the cutoff switch in the lights.
So they're pretty much.
I haven't had time yet. I'm actually going to put Mark on that job of actually painting a set of cheese graters for it.
Yeah, get it back right.
It's going to get cheese graters. I threw those on there. The car looked horrible when I got it. It had purple headlights, and those cheese graters, and the windows were kind of shot. They had the covers over the back windows and all that.
Oh yeah, I got you.
I brought the car a long way from what it was whenever I bought the car.
I mean, this is what you did back then.
Yeah,
I mean, this
exactly.
is total like.
Exactly.
You were the man. If you had this in 95, 96, you were the man. Everybody wanted to
afford it back then.
Exactly. I couldn't either.
We had just gotten married, man. This right here would have been out. That'd been an expensive car still.
I had to save up to buy like pulleys and stuff. That back in then it was like.
But you know what? Driving this thing, getting out there and it still rips the tires in third gear. It's still just fun. It's just a fun car to drive.
Awesome. And then this is the project car here.
Yeah, this is actually a 93 SSP car, and this is one we call the Burgundy Bomb. It's
kind of like the beater bomb, but not.
Yeah, exactly. And this car I've been running for about 3 or 4 years now, I guess, and it's been a 5-speed car. It had a stock block, and so a buddy of mine had to have the motor out of it, and he bought a roller. So I went ahead and sold the motor just a week or two ago, and I've had another Dart 347 for it.
Nice.
And so I didn't want to get into another project right now because Red's fixing to be torn back apart. We're fixing to change the intercooler, go to air water setup, and but I went ahead and let him have the motor. So Mark and I got another project going. This one's going to be another Dart block. It's going to be an 8.2 deck, 347.
Yes.
It's big bore, short stroke, and it's going to have some really nice heads on it. This is going to be a nitrous car.
Nice.
We're going to keep it street, no cage. We're going to keep it a 5-speed.
Yep. So we got to keep an eye out for this one. All right, guys. So absolutely had a great time coming out here and checking out Shane's little toy box. Some super, super cool cars. I mean, you got the over the top, and then you got the old school, and you got basically turbo, nitrous, supercharger. Just, man, what a good time. So huge shout out to Shane. Huge shout out to Mark for hooking us up, putting us together. Great time. We'll see more of this car, I promise. I'm gonna get back down here because I gotta see this thing go down the track.
This is just the beginning for this car.
It will actually be pulled apart, and they're gonna repaint and do a bunch of other stuff. So right now they're just kind of getting all the bugs out, but it's gonna be freaking awesome. Of course, probably some more stuff for this car. Who knows? But anyway, guys, that is what is up. I've got to get on the road. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch up with you next time. Later.